Good afternoon, children. Up to I completed our 9th lesson now. So today we will start our 10th lesson. So what is the name of our 10th lesson? How is the weather today? Okay. Children, did you observe today weather? How it is? It is sunny day. Yes, children. So you can know if you are observing our surroundings, you can know the weather. Or it is rainy or sunny or windy, like that you know. Yes, children. Now open studio page number 49. Here see children, here they are given one riddle for you, 10.1. So each clue below gives a letter. Write the letter in the box provided. So in this box you have to write one letter. Here they are given clues. Okay. First one, see children, you use this letter to address yourself. మీ గురించి ఎవరికైనా చెప్పేటప్పుడు మీరు ఒక లెటర్ని ఎక్కువ యూజ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఐఎమ్ సుధా, లైక్ దట్. ఐ విల్ ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ మై సెల్ఫ్ లైక్ దట్. సో యూ ఆల్సో సే లైక్ దట్, నో? సో ఫస్ట్ యూ ఆర్ ఇంట్రడ్యూసింగ్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ విత్ ద లెటర్ ఐ. సో రైట్ ఇన్ దిస్ బాక్స్ ఐ. Next, this letter is found in both apple and mango. Children, if you are observing these two words, you can observe one letter. In two words, there is same letter there. What is that? A. Yes, children? So, write in this box A. Next, this letter is present in rows but absent in house. If you are observing rows and house, what the letter is absent in both these words? R. Yes? So write R. What is here, there and everywhere but cannot be seen by anybody anywhere? Okay. So here, if you are adding these three letters, we will get one word. What is that word, children? So for here they are given clues also. We cannot see that. And it is present everywhere. So what is that? Arrange the letters to find the answer. Air. Yes, children? So write in these boxes air. So we cannot see air, but it is present everywhere. Most plants and animals, including humans, live on land. Cars, trucks and trains move on land. Okay. So living things needs air. So everyone there move on the land and they can live on the land. Yes, children? So fish live in water and ships sail on water. Okay. So both are in water. And one thing that is present everywhere is air. Okay. Air is not only high above us, it is all around us. మనం ఎయిర్ని అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే అది చాలా హైట్లో ఉంటుందా, లేకపోతే మన చుట్టూ ఉంటుందా? మన చుట్టూ ఆక్యుపై అయి ఉంటుంది. ఓకే. బట్ వీ కెనాట్ సీ ఎయిర్. నౌ సీ పేజ్ నెంబర్ 50, children. Let us see how Rakesh, Meghna, Pawan and Percy use their sense organs to experience air. Children, do you know sense organs? How many sense organs we have? 5 sense organs. Okay. So what are the? Ears, eyes, nose, tongue and skin. So these 5 we can call sense organs. So how much do you know about the sense organs, children? You can use the clues and fill up the boxes with the names of the sense organs. Here they are given some clues. So you have to write here sense organs names. First one, see. We see with these. How can we see? With our eyes. So in this you have to write eyes. E-Y-E-S. Next. We feel with this. For example, I am pinching in your skin. So how can you know? You can feel that. Yes. So we feel with this skin. S-K-I-N. Next. So down you have to write these two. And third one, see. We use this to taste everything that we eat. If you are eating, how can you know the taste? With your help of your tongue, you can know the taste. So write here third one, tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E. Okay, next, across. We hear with this. We hear with our ears. Okay, next. This helps us smell. How can you smell the things? With our nose, no? So, N-O-S-E, nose. Okay, children. Now, here they are given some activities. Now, you can observe these. Open page number 51. Identify the sense organs that each child is using right in the blank. Children, if you are observing these actions, you can know what are the sense organs they are used. First one, see, Meghna is trying to feel air. See, how can she feel? She is feeling with her hands, no? So hands, the sense organ she is using, skin. So write here, skin. Next, Rakesh is trying to smell air. If you are observing his face, he is trying to smell, no? So, he is using here nose. So, in this blank you have to write nose. Next, see page number 52. See children, Percy is trying to see air. So, what are the sense organs here? He is used eyes. E-Y-E-S. Next, Pawan is trying to taste air. So, how can we taste? With our tongue. So, write here, tongue. Try these actions in class and discuss what you felt. Children, if you are doing these all actions, you can know what are the organs we are using here, sense organs we are using here. Now, see page number 53. We are not able to see air because air does not have any form or color. Air does not have a smell or a taste of its own. Children, మీరు ఇప్పుడు అబ్జర్వ్ చేశారనుకోండి, ఎయిర్కి ఒక స్మెల్ ఉండదు, కలర్ ఉండదు, టేస్ట్ ఉండదు. ఓకే, ఇది ఏవైనా థింగ్స్తో యాడ్ అయినప్పుడు మాత్రమే వీటికి స్మెల్, టేస్ట్ అండ్ కలర్ ఉంటాయి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఎక్కువ విండ్ వచ్చేస్తుంది అనుకోండి, అక్కడ ఎయిర్ వస్తుందని మీరు ఎలా ఐడెంటిఫై చేస్తారు? బికాస్ it will mix with the dust. So, you can identify that. And your mother prepared some good curry. How can you know the smell? So, air can carry the things, no? So, it will add to that smell. Then you will know that smell. But, particular ga air ki oka smell, taste, color anedi undadu. Edaina things tho add ayinappudu maatrame vadiki smell kaani, taste kaani, color kaani untundi. Okay, children. So, when we move our hands, we can feel air. Air neppudu kuda manam chudalem, just feel avutam ante. Okay, next. See 10A in companion, children. Let us exercise. Children, if you are observing companion page number 41, you have here 10A activity. So, what do we breathe in and breathe out? Let us do a fun exercise. See, here you have to take a deep breath and place your palm in front of your nose, children. Slowly breathe out. What did you feel? Children, now you are doing this activity, you will know that డీప్ బ్రీత్ తీసుకున్నప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? ఏం ఫీల్ అవుతారు మీరు? విల్ టేక్ ఎయిర్, నో? సో ఐ ఫెల్ట్ ఎయిర్. వర్ యూ ఏబుల్ టు సీ వాట్ యు ఆర్ బ్రీతింగ్ ఇన్ అండ్ బ్రీతింగ్ అవుట్? ఎయిర్ని చూడగలుగుతున్నారా మీరు అలా బ్రీత్ ఇన్ బ్రీత్ అవుట్ చేసినప్పుడు? నో. సో సర్కిల్ యువర్ ఆన్సర్, నో. What did you learn, children? So you breathe in and breathe out air. So you can feel that air on your palm. When you breathe out, it is colorless and hence you cannot see it. Yes, children. So this activity completed. Now see page number 42. So this is homework today, children. 10B activity. So look at a short poem about the sun. Here see, children. Here they are given already short poem about the sun. S for shines every day, U up in the sky, N for nice and warm on my skin. Okay, so the letters S, U and N are used as the starting letters to create a 3 lines poem. So this is called an acrostic poem. Okay, children. Like that, you have to create one poem for 8. సో 3 లెటర్స్ యూజ్ చేసి మీరు కూడా ఒక పోయం క్రియేట్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ సన్ యూజ్ చేసి 3 లెటర్స్తో పోయం ఎలా క్రియేట్ చేశారు, అలా ఏఐఆర్ అని యూజ్ చేసి ఒక పోయంని క్రియేట్ చేసి రాయాలి. ఓకే, సో చిల్డ్రన్, దిస్ ఈజ్ టుడే homework for you, and next I will explain in next class. Children, bye, have a nice day.